How to automate a test case in Catalan Studio in manual mode is what we are going to discuss now. Again, um, this is the Catalan Studio project which we have discussed earlier already. And now I'm going to create a new test case under this test case folder, and I'm calling it as manual mode. So we are going to automate test using manual mode. So I have opened this test case. Okay, it's already open. Now see here, you see there is this tab which you are already familiar with. You know this tab is script mode. So this is the manual mode pane where you are going to write steps for automating your web application. All right. Now the first step what you're going to do is you're going to open the browser, right? So here you have to take help of this particular add button and click this list, and you choose which operations you wanted to do. Now you wanted to do operations related to web keywords. So choose web keywords, and here it will display the list of keywords. Here you have to choose that keyword which will open the browser for you. So there are a list of keywords which you can see, but how exactly you will remember all these keywords? So don't worry, you don't have to remember them at all. You just try to relate them with the simple English language which you wanted to use as per the context, and then you will find the relevant keyword. So that's how it is actually prepared, which is very simple to understand. Don't have to worry about remembering all of them at all. And also over the time you will be experienced with the keywords like which you wanted to call at that particular instance. Okay, for example, in this case you wanted to open a browser. Type open. So see, when you type it has given you the open browser keyword which is close to that one. So I open the browser, and here I can give the input, the URL which I wanted to open. So that's the value. Here I am going to pass the URL. Click on OK. So this is going to launch the browser, not just launching the browser, and also it is opening the URL or launching the page which I wanted to launch. Now the second step. So previously we just open the browser and enter the credentials. Now let me maximize the browser, which I didn't do it in our record and playback test case. So here you can see I didn't do maximization of window. Okay, fine. So let us try typing M. See, you saw the keyword maximize window is the first one. Select that one. So you maximize the window. Next, again, add another keyword. So now what you wanted to do, you have opened the browser and you have maximized the window. Now you wanted to enter the credentials. So the keyword will be set. I type SC. So you see a list of keywords. Set text is the most relevant one. Okay, I'm going to set the text, and where I'm going to set the text. So you have to choose the object. So when we are talking about objects, we have to go to object repository. So ideally there should be an object over here, but I'm going to use objects which I have already stored in my previous test case. So I'm going to use this object text username. So this is where I wanted to enter my username, right? So just drag and drop over here. Now the object is there. Now you have to pass the input values. So it is a text and it is a string, and the value will be admin. All right, now I have entered the username. Now the next step, enter the password. So here you see set alert text, set text, set encrypted text. So this is going to be a most suitable one. You can use set text also to set the password. This is the beautiful feature which is in Catalan Studio, which will pass the encrypted value of the password. That means you can't see the actual password. So which is wanted by many of the applications that they don't want to disclose their password even in automation. So you choose this keyword and select the object. This is going to be the object. Drag and drop it over here and just set the password. So here encrypted password. Now you enter the password which is admin123. Now this is the encrypted text generated out of it. Click on insert, click on OK. See, now you don't see the actual password. This is an encrypted one. All right. So you have entered the password. Now click on submit button. So what is the operation? Click, right? Okay, click. Now click on which object. So this is my object, drag and drop. Now I clicked on submit button. That's it. Now previously I didn't close the browser. Now I can close the browser too. Add another stub. Type close CL. Okay, these are the keywords starting with C. Where is close, close, close? Yes, close browser. That's all. So control yes, which will save the test. You can run the test case now using Chrome browser if you wanted to. Just proceed. Now it is going to launch the browser along with the application. Yes, it launched the browser and the application too. Now it has to maximize the window, right? Enter the username, password, click on login button, close the browser. Done. See, this is very fast, right? So this is how you automate your test case in manual mode.